There are 3 of you there for that small tent. I alone is more than sufficient. So 3 of you. Even half of me is enough for that. No, 1/4.
So only your arm?
Yeah.
Just wants to. Only your arm can do it?
Yeah. Just 1 arm is fine.
Like if you have a can I try? Chop. Mama, can I do like yeah and do it everything?
Help your mother instead of talking.
Where's the hammer?
You don't need a hammer.
Your feet. I don't have anything. You don't have feet. Let's eat.
Yes. Move up first on the food.
Yes.
Yes. And look at the spot. There are 4 spots now, not just 1. You're still doing it.